Little bird, this game is so absurd. Flying through my window, head straight for the door. Little bird, don't be disturbed, 'cause I've seen that you've been burned. I memorize your song, then I forget it when you're gone. Little bird, won't you spread your wings to fly out of my head? Fold your wings into my bed, lay right down, stay with me instead. Little bird, don't be disturbed, I've listened to your sermon. My heart won't heal you, making you a fool. Little bird, ain't you heard? Freedom is just a word. We all live in cages, dogs, just question of how small.